Hello everybody, my name is Szebasztian Magda with Worldly Real Estate, and I want to welcome all of you to see this gorgeous house in section 10. Let's check this out, guys. So it looks like we have here a huge living room. I love the open space, the hardwood floor. We have, looks like a dining room here. Look at those rocks on the wall. I love it. I love the aspect of it. Now let's go in the kitchen. We see the huge countertops, huge island. And as you notice, we have only Viking's appliances. There you go. Or everything that you need, even an ice maker right there. We also have like a small room here. Let's go on this side. We have a bathroom. What is this, a full? No, half bath. We have a separate laundry room with washer and dryer. I don't think I have to tell you what this is, right? We have doors to go outside, and also absolutely every single window in this house and door has an automatic shutter system that closes and opens from a remote. Okay, now before going out, I want to see we have a sidebar with an actual beer kegel, and here you have the wine cellar room. Amazing open plan. Now, as you notice outside, we have a huge swimming pool with a wet bar. I would like to consider this like the summer outside kitchen. And on the other side, I would say, is the winter kitchen. I have a barbecue here. The actual glass fire pit. We have a nice area here where you can eat with the speaker. So we have speaker system all over the house. And it smells so good here. There are lime trees. It smells really fresh. As you notice, the outside, the garage, this is the right side of the house, where you can see the 3-car garage, and you have a huge space for multiple cars that visit you. And if you see on the end of the hallway, there on that door, there's a space for your boat. Now we have multiple entrances here that you can go in the house, and that's the backyard. The actual size of the house, it's 0.54 acres, a little bit more than half an acre. So we have here one bedroom downstairs with another, this is actually a full bathroom, and a granite shower and everything. I have another furnished, apparently, room. And we are about to go upstairs to see that beautiful master bedroom. Oh, about the entrance, We have huge 15 feet doors with a huge office area. Another full bathroom here with granite countertops and a bedroom. So that was the fourth bedroom. Now going upstairs, we have, looks like a clean. Going upstairs, we see we have white carpet with a humongous master bedroom. The size of the master bedroom is 23 feet by 31. I have a lot of space here, like a bookshelf, I would say. And look at this. Look at this. Split it, divided by a small wall. I would say you can have here like a mini gym, like a treadmill, watching TV, and outside you get your natural sunlight. You have a huge balcony with a nice view towards the strip. Now let's go in the master bathroom. We have here the toilet. We have here a toilet with a bidet. And look at this shower. We have a jacuzzi here. This is the walk-in closet. And a surprise for you guys. What do you think it's here? It's just a mirror? Oh, this mirror is too small for me. In fact, I don't know where the remote for this is, but this is a panic room. We have a secret door to a panic room. I love the safety precautions that they took for this house. So let's go a little bit outside to see the view, what we have here. So I want to remember you guys that the actual HOA in this community is 0. There's no HOA. So you can actually do whatever you want. There you go. You have views only on beautiful homes, luxury. So this was it for today, guys. Thank you very much for staying and watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm so more people will see this video. Thank you very much. Don't forget to leave a comment down below and ask for your favorite area in Vegas that you want me to film in. Thank you and see you later.